Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is the video for the clearance event taking place at the Dollar General on May 10th, 11th, and 12th. I believe this is going to be the biggest event of the year because we have everybody's favorites, which are paper products, cleaners, and just a whole bunch of other magic. So right now, many stores are starting to stage these clearance items at the front on tables or on side caps or on tables in the store. And lots of them have tags. Lots of them don't have tags. And if they don't have tags, that's where it's a little bit more advantageous for couponers that are going to be able to know exactly what is part of this clearance event. For the purposes of this video, we are looking at clearance and items that are part of the POG list. And it is crazy. Like, look at that table where my finger's pointing. I mean, I want that table in my house. I'm just like, wow. And then also, let's not forget clearance section, all this stuff, an additional 50% off starting on the 10th, and it's only for 3 days, and that's the magic of this event. So probably in the next couple days, your store is going to start advertising this sale. They'll either take an additional 70 or an additional 50% off, depending where you live, and this is throughout the United States. So just a little pop quiz for you. Starting on the 10th, probably around 5 a.m., an item that's $1 in the clearance section will be 50 cents. That same item at a 70% off store will be 30 cents. So pretty easy to follow. Usually on the 10th, sometimes in stores there are errors. So definitely look at your receipt and have like eagle eyes, hawk eyes, whatever, to make sure you're not like overpaying for this stuff. Now, a non-updated store, you're going to hear me say that a lot. And it's a store with this keypad. If you see where that arrow is, you're going to get one receipt. And on coupons, digital coupons, you can get overage, which is extra money for other items. So this is the most advantageous store to find, which is a non-updated. So you're looking for that keypad behind the register. And then what an updated store is where they have the touch screen. So this store, you'll get 3 receipts and you get 0 overage. You're just going to get your items for free. So I gave you 2 visuals of a non-updated and updated. Please remember these to memory. Another term that you might hear is POG stickers, and it's exactly what's in my hand. These orange stickers, an additional 50% off of whatever it's tagged at. If your store has a bunch of items tagged, but they didn't put it at a table, that's what you're going to go look for the clearance event. That easy. Let's have a quick pop quiz. We have this Flow water at 90 cents. And right now it's actually 75, so it's just like one of those weird Dollar General math things. This is found in the dollar spot, and lots of the dollar spot food will be part of this clearance event. So starting on the 10th, it's 75 cents. So it's going to be 50% off of that. On the 10th, it's going to be 38 cents. So again, as stated, probably Friday around 5 a.m., all these items in the app will start changing. If you want to scan all the barcodes, you know, into the app, like, is this working? Is this not working? Is this worth my time? That's how you'll figure out, you know, my 50% off store or my 70% off store through the math of some of the barcodes I'm going to show you. This was my haul from last March, which is an entire table full. And after the IBOTTA rebates, it was free. And I actually found like 200 penny items as well. There was a pretty large penny list last winter. And in a lot of the gray totes that some stores, they can't pull everything and put them neatly on tables. So they'll just throw these on the floor. And this is where I was finding the majority of my pennies. And like 200 pennies, like, wow. If you want me to make a video just about some penny items, please like this video. And if I get more than 1,000 midweek, like say Wednesday, Thursday, I'll make another video. So definitely plan out, scout your stores. Is this worth your time? It's definitely worth your time because I think there's like 9 free items with digital coupons. Very easy to do. If you could just line things up very basically. You know, on Friday the 10th, it's rock and roll time. So the first couple slides I'm going to show you are just like freebies and cheapies. The first is the Irish Spring. I'm not going to jog through each of them, but like a $2 item, subtracting that $2 digital, free. And the barcode's there if you want to open up the Dollar General app and scan. boom, there it is. Or grab a screenshot and just type in the numbers if you can't do a double, like if you don't have an iPad and a phone. And then also this soft soap, this scent only, which is pink peony sea salt. Very specific on these scents. This would be 5 cents. Now also for both of these body washes, this 4 off 2 digital coupon also showed up on Sunday morning. So that's extra savings on that. So you, in theory, could get like, you know, 3 Irish Springs if you want, or 3 soft soaps. So make sure you have them all loaded. Now this is fantastic. This is a 6 count of the Charmin Essentials. It's going to be $2.57. Subtracting our digital coupon, $1.57 for a 6-pack of Charmin Essentials. Is this not worth your time, guys? The Gain, this is 107 loader in this specific scent. It's going to be $7.17, subtracting a $4 digital, $3.17 for this massive jug of detergent. They are giving this away. Unreal. Okay, so now we have a 63 count of these Cascades. It's going to be $7.65 starting on Friday morning, subtracting a $3 digital, $4.65 for a big container of Cascade dish pods. My goodness gracious. We have this fancier Colgate toothpaste. It's going to be $3.07 starting on Friday morning, subtracting a $4 digital. It's either free at an updated store or free and a 92-cent overage at a non-updated store. Like, wow. This item, I've seen it at tons of stores. It's a 5 count of these Airwicks in this specific scent. $4.50, subtracting a $7 digital, either a free item updated or free and a $2.50 at a non-updated store of overage. Our little Febreze fabric will be a free item and 5 cents of overage at a non-updated store with the $2.30 digital. So that's kind of nice for this spray. And then these Old Spice car clips, I've seen them at every single store in abundance. It's in the clearance section. Free item and 27-cent money maker at a non-updated store. I would search for a non-updated store in your area if you could track one down. And these Always Boutique pads will be $2.92, subtracting that $4 digital, free, and a $1.07 money maker at a non-updated store. Do love that. And then I did see quite a few of these. It's a soft soap antibacterial. It'll be $1.10. Subtracting that $1 digital, it'll be 10 cents with the $1 coupon. This is one item that sometimes it doesn't ring up properly, soft soap specifically, on that Friday morning. Just have that Hawkeye, Eagle Eye on your receipt and your bottom line, and don't be shy to return things if they don't ring up 50% off. We're there for 50% off. We're not there to just shop. This very fancy Crest Pro Health gum, it'll be $2.12. We have a $2 digital coupon, making it 25 cents. And gum toothpaste, if you have problems with your gum, such as yours truly, you know it's magic. We have this Hello deodorant. We have a $3 cash back, which is not a coupon. You would pay the $3.37 out of pocket, have it loaded, and then you're going to get it back on your store card. It makes it 37 cents, and that's $1 per Dollar General account. Now we're going to be looking at some paper products, and I don't believe I have any digital coupons to go with these, but still these will all be gone on Friday, because when people, start the car kind of prices. $2.80 for this 4 count. I'm not going to go through every single one too. I'm just going to let these prices fly by the screen, and I'll just talk or just mention if I think things are great or not. These 2 sparkles, $4.97. I mean, if they do have some on that Saturday with the 5 off 25, that would be the way to get a lot of this stuff without coupons. And if it's not tagged at your store or not put at the front with like, here's some clearance stuff, but the average shopper would probably just grab all of these. And these premium ones by Dollar General, they are beefy toilet papers and paper towels. This is your best bang for your buck. And I know it's not Charmin or Bounty, but it's still very good. I think it's similar to Charmin, the strong and the soft, but very good prices at $3. You just cannot beat those prices. And we have some trash bags at $2.67. One item I really don't ever enjoy paying money for. Unfortunately, no coupons for that. Now, the weird thing that happened with my detergent for the last clearance event, lots of stores had clearance stickers, but they were all ringing up for the sticker price, not 50% off. And then so usually they modify it and give you an extra 50% off, but the 2 stores that I found tables just full of this stuff, they refused. So even when Sunday rolled around, all of this stuff was still there. So hopefully it's programmed correctly on Friday the 10th, where you just walk in and everything's 50% off. I'm not paying $8.55 for this, so it's got to be modified or ring up properly. So just open up that Dollar General app, triple scan. Lots of employees will just flat out refuse. Some will modify it, but unless they're a key holder manager, they're probably going to say, sorry, Charlie. And that happened to me a lot during the last event, and I got no detergent. As the week marches on, guys, if there's new Gain or Tide digitals, definitely, you got to open up that Dollar General app and scan Friday morning when you're at the store. This Tide Light, still a lot of stores have it, and hopefully we get a digital coupon to go with, because that would be really nice. But lots of these Tide products are very bountiful because they were not programmed in the system during the March clearance event. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at this. It's a massive Pine Sol. I love the scent of this. So with the digital coupon, this massive container, $3.15. And the top almighty packs, which is the scent free one, we have a $3 cash back, so that would be, I believe, $3.25, and the one down below, the blue one, would be $2.12. Lots of all products I think they found in the back at this one store, and they're like, maybe we'll put it on clearance. $1.95 for the Dollar General brand fabric softener, and this is a great value if you have overage. These dryer sheets for 87 cents, like, come on, that's a fantastic price point. And I'm just frustrated by the situation where a manager is looking at me and smiling and saying sorry when you have this stuff on a table that says clearance and they won't ring it up for you. Like, it's just so frustrating, but it's all still there. So, like, hopefully everything is rock and roll time on Friday the 10th, because I might stock up on a lot of this stuff. And these Gain pods for $2.02, like, hello, very good deal. This is probably a harder one to find. It's this little Gain Power Blast, but I did find a couple of them, $2.12. I'd love a digital coupon to go with this massive Dollar General, like, it's like a Gain knockoff for $2.02. That's a stock up price for that dish soap, in my humble opinion. And this Baby Dawn for 55 cents. It's still kind of expensive, but if you needed a filler to go with overage, it's fantastic. Unstoppables for $1.80, and this is an 8-pack of these wax melts. If you know, you know, this is a fantastic price point. Now we're going to talk about health and beauty products, HBA, and the first, I'm just going to, again, show these little price tags, what it would be. I'm not going to go through every single one, or this video will seem like 6,000 hours. Lots of feminine care. Currently, not a lot of digital coupons to go with. And this is the Dollar General generic brand, $3.42. It's more expensive than Tampax, so go figure that one out. But hopefully there's some feminine care coupons that populate for us in the app. And maybe on Sunday, if the feminine care is still there, there might be some new coupons in the app on Sunday morning. That might be absolutely terrific. And we have a 3 off 2 digital to go with this Head & Shoulders, so it'd make it $2.85 for the 2. And we have an Icy Hot for $3.37. And check all the different apps, Fetch, Ibotta, Shop Me in case there might be, extra rebates for some of these items. We have a $1 digital also for this Pantene, dropping this guy down to $1.70. And with the Olay, we have a 5 off 3, so buying 3 of these on clearance, it would be $5.12 for the 3 after the digital coupon. And my favorite, this massive bottle of Old Spice, we have a $1 digital, dropping this guy down to $3.20 starting on Friday at a 50% off store for all the prices in this video. Okay, so we have this little Biore Blue Agave wash for $2. I mean, it's more magical than that, especially if you like those sort of scrubs. And the Jergens Skin Firming Lotion for $2.05. So happy about that. And the Suave, no instant savings this go around for this guy, but it's a massive container of this shampoo for $2.25. So there's some value there if you wanted to throw it in on a Saturday 5 off 25 basket, along with this Herbal Essence shampoo, no digital coupons to go with. A couple baby items for you, including this Aveeno. See the Pog sticker? Boom. $3.62 starting on Friday. And then also pogged out with the sticker $3.02 for the Johnson's. Lots of baby products specifically in this event. And the Dial, this scent is $1.77. I know there's an Ibotta rebate, but it's not attaching to this one, but still $1.77, good price. And $3.07 for the Dove body wash. Still finding a ton of this at some stores. I think they must have had some in the back. And this Big Zest, it's like 8 bars of soap for $2.03. That is some value right there. And the Studio Selections, which is the Dollar General brand, $2.57 for this massive body wash. A product that is also on clearance for $1.30 starting Friday is the Queen V. It's a bar soap for feminine care. The final that we're looking at is some food. And the first with this $1 off 2 digital coupon will be to pay $7.95 for 2 bags of the Dunkin' Donuts coffee. We also have some Dollar General Clover Valley Breakfast Blend K-Cups. $4.02 for 24 of them. That is savings. We have some candy. The Kit Kats would be $2.22 for a bag, and then $2.85 for 2 bags of the Heath miniatures with the $1 off 2 digital coupon. Below, if Heath is your thing, check those expiry dates, but definitely a stock up price. And then we have some toddler baby food pogged out for $1, so not the worst price point for those little squeeze pouches. And lots of that dollar spot candy and food. This Jolly Rancher for 45 cents. All of this is like 90 with the Pog stickers, so 45 cents. So, you know, if you're going to go camping even for that French roast instant coffee, like that's fantastic. A lot of you are preppers, so 45 cents for a thing of vinegar, I think you're like, value, you know, you can just see it. And then we have some energy drinks, also 45 cents each. So definitely the stock up price and stock up time is now. And then we have the Pop-Tarts also for 45 cents. On the final slide, we have a little bit of candy. We have a bag for $2.70 and then some Nerds for $1.45. I would get organized. Friday the 10th, this is going to be a huge event, guys, with the paper and the detergent. I mean, really make it happen. And I would definitely scout your stores if you haven't and get prepared, load your digital coupons, and have a lot of fun. I'll probably have a haul video later on Friday. I'm pretty excited by this event. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.